was the second Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 inaugurated? A. Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. B. Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. C. Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Correct answer is Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025, India's largest mobility exposition. The event, featuring over 100 launches across automobiles and components, is hosted at 3 venues. The expo aims to unite the entire mobility value chain and showcases sustainable and advanced technologies. Notable launches include electric vehicles from Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW. In which city has the world's first Mahamrityunjay Yantra been installed during Mahakumbh 2025? A. Varanasi. B. Prayagraj. C. Haridwar. D. Ujjain. Correct answer is Prayagraj. The world's first Mahamrityunjay Yantra, measuring 52 feet in length, width, and height, has been installed at the Tapovan Ashram in Jhansi Havelis, Prayagraj, known as the sacred land of Mahakumbh. This monumental yantra is a spiritual marvel, believed to connect devotees to the higher consciousness of Lord Shiva. What is the name of the new declaration adopted by African leaders to transform agriculture? A. Kigali Declaration. B. Nairobi Agreement. C. Kampala Declaration. D. Addis Ababa Strategy. Correct answer is Kampala Declaration. The Extraordinary African Union Summit on the Comprehensive Africa Agriculture Development Programme, CAADP, concluded Kampala, Uganda, with the adoption of the transformative Kampala Declaration. In which Indian state is the country's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility being launched? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Indachip Semiconductors, in a joint venture with Japan's Yatoa Microtechnology, signed an MoU with the Andhra Pradesh government to set up India's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility with an investment of over 14,000 crores. Focused on silicon carbide chips, the facility aims to boost India's technological and sustainability goals and create thousands of jobs in the region. Who was recently sworn in as the Governor of Mizoram? A. V.K. Singh. B. Rajnath Singh. C. Kiran Rijiju. D. Anurag Thakur. Correct answer is V.K. Singh. V.K. Singh has been sworn in as the 25th Governor of Mizoram, succeeding Hari Babu Kambhapti. The ceremony was administered by Guwahati High Court Chief Justice Vijay Bishnoi and attended by prominent state leaders. Singh's appointment by President Draupadi Murmu was delayed to 16th January due to health issues of his relative. What is the India's rank on the Inaugura Future Skills Index? A. 20th. B. 22nd. C. 25th. D. 30th. Correct answer is 25th. India ranked 25th in the first Future Skills Index with an overall score of 76.6, released by London-based Quacquarelli Symonds, QS, on Thursday, though it emerged as the second most preferred country under the Future of Work category just behind the US. Which Indian state recently announced a pension scheme for emergency-era prisoners? A. Bihar. B. Odisha. C. Rajasthan. D. West Bengal. Correct answer is Odisha. The Odisha government will provide a monthly pension of 20,000 rupees to individuals imprisoned during the emergency in 1975, effective from 1st January. The scheme includes medical benefits. Over 300 people are eligible, requiring an annual expenditure of 8 crore rupees. District-level committees will handle beneficiary lists. The third launch pad at Sriharikota is intended to boost which organization's space missions? A. DRDO. B. NASA. C. ISRO. D. SpaceX. Correct answer is ISRO. The Union Cabinet approved the establishment of a third launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Centre, Sriharikota. This initiative aims to enhance ISRO's launch capacity for next-generation launch vehicles and support human spaceflight missions. With an expenditure of 3,984.86 crore rupees, the project targets completion in 4 years, boosting India's space infrastructure for advanced missions. Which global sportswear brand has roped in PV Sindhu as its brand ambassador? A. Adidas. B. Nike. C. Puma. D. Reebok. Correct answer is Puma. Puma India has partnered with badminton star PV Sindhu in a multi-year deal to expand its sports portfolio. This collaboration will launch at the India Open 2025 in New Delhi. The partnership aims to boost Puma's presence in India's sports market, particularly in badminton, and inspire the country's youth to engage in the sport. Who holds the record for India's fastest century in women's ODIs? A. Mithali Raj. B. Harmanpreet Kaur. C. Smriti Mandhana. D. Deepti Sharma. Correct answer is Smriti Mandhana. India skipper Smriti Mandhana scored a record-breaking century in the third women's ODI against Ireland on Wednesday. She achieved her 170 balls, setting a new record for the fastest century by an Indian woman in ODIs. Mandhana's knock helped India dominate the game and secure a commanding position in the series.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.